When love turns to betrayal, picture a small town in Quang Nam Province, Vietnam. The sound of evening crickets fills the air. But inside one household, a tragedy more sinister than any nocturnal creature unfolds. What was supposed to be a mother's protective embrace instead masks a horrific act, one carried out for profit. On the evening of April 5th, 2025, authorities announced the arrest of Tu Thi Thi Na, a 43-year-old mother from Halam Thon, Thanh Binh district. She was formally charged with the murder of her 6-year-old son in a calculated scheme to claim life insurance money. The case shocked the country. The tragedy unfolded on January 2nd, 2023. Around 10 p.m., Tai Na's son was found lifeless in the bathroom. The initial assumption was that it was a domestic accident, but soon disturbing signs pointed to something far darker: premeditated murder. Investigators found that Thi Nguyen Na had taken out a life insurance policy for her son shortly before his death, listing herself as the beneficiary. The policy payout was substantial. This discovery shifted the narrative from grief to greed. A thorough investigation ensued. Forensic teams re-examined the scene, interviewed witnesses, and traced digital and financial records. It became clear the death had not been natural nor accidental. It was methodical. To neighbors, Tai Na appeared as a grieving single mother, but investigators soon noticed inconsistencies. Her timeline didn't match up, and her behavior raised suspicion. What emerged was a web of lies spun to cover her crime. Similar cases have occurred globally. In Texas, 2021, Ashley Marks was accused of poisoning her 6-year-old son after taking out two $50,000 policies. In Alabama, 2008, Christy Michelle Scott set fire to her house, killing her autistic son after buying a $100,000 policy. On April 5th, 2025, Tai Na was officially arrested and charged with murder for pecuniary gain. Vietnamese criminal law views such offenses as heinous, with possible life imprisonment or capital punishment. The local community reacted with shock and disbelief. People questioned how a mother could do such a thing. Vigils were held for the child, while online forums debated the ethics of life insurance for minors. Vietnamese lawmakers and the public began calling for reforms. Should there be stricter rules on child life insurance? How can psychological support for struggling parents be improved? Behind every crime statistic is a face, a smile, a child. Nguyen Van H was just 6 years old. He liked cartoons, sweet snacks, and being hugged at night. His life ended not by illness or accident, but by betrayal. The story of Thi Nguyen Na is a haunting reminder that not all monsters hide in the dark. Some sit beside us at dinner tables with kind smiles and careful plans. Let this serve as a warning. Greed left unchecked can override even the most sacred bonds.